Hello and welcome. My name is Elliot, and today we're going to show you how to navigate around the Tabs3 billing, PracticeMaster, and financial software. The same elements we talk about here are used in all of the programs. Let's start by opening Tabs3. Now, when the software is installed, an icon is placed on the desktop by default. Just double-click the Tabs3 icon. When the login window is displayed, sign in with the username and password that was created for you. If you're configuring Tabs3 for the first time, see the Administrator Guide for assistance on setting up logins and the software. You can customize which features are displayed after you log in. However, the Home page and Quick Launch panes are typically shown by default. The Quick Launch pane has everything you need to navigate the software, so let's start there. One of the most useful functions in the Quick Launch is the Search Actions box. You can type the name of any action, file, or report in the software, making it one of the easiest ways to get around or find what you need. A pinned action section is located at the top. This contains some of the more commonly used features in the software to help get you started. What is great about the Quick Launch is that you can customize it so that you can access the things that you use most frequently, like fee entry, as well as pin the matters you use every day in the Pinned Matters section. You can find more information about this pane in the Customizing and Using Quick Launch video. At the bottom of this pane, you will see what we call an application toolbar. This toolbar provides you with a quick way to launch another program, such as PracticeMaster. The Home page is another way to navigate in the software. Notice that there are multiple tabs. In PracticeMaster, the Dashboard tab contains graphs and data widgets that allow you to see what you have going on at a glance. The All Actions tab includes access to all features in the software. It is divided into groups, and clicking on a group displays the actions within. Clicking on any of the actions will launch that feature in a new tab. Click the link at the top of the page to return to a higher group. The My Actions tab is another way to get to features in the software and allows you to customize its contents to fit your individual needs. Each user can configure their own My Actions to show what files, reports, or utilities they need access to, sorted and grouped by their preferences. When you're ready to create your own personal My Actions tab, check out the Using and Customizing My Actions video. One more way to navigate to features in the software is via the menus at the top of the main application window. These menus provide access to features and functions grouped into separate areas, just like the groups in All Actions. The available menus will vary depending on which program you're in. Let's switch back to Tabs3 for now. The File menu contains an Open menu option that provides access to various data files. In addition to the features themselves, notice that keyboard shortcuts are listed for many of the items in the menu. These shortcuts provide quick access to frequently used features. For example, if you want to open the Client Manager, you can simply press Ctrl-M on your keyboard. Using the Help Topics option on the Help menu opens up the main Help window, where you can easily search for help using the extensive index or text search features for the Help window. Help pages are context sensitive, so if you need help on the feature that you're currently using or a screen that you're on, you don't need to worry about searching for the correct help topic. Simply press F1 or click the Help button on the taskbar to open up the help page specific to the feature that you're using. In addition to the help functions, the Help menu provides access to additional sources of training and information, such as training videos and the online knowledge base. We're always adding new features to make the software better, so it's a great idea to check for updates occasionally. The About option displays a window containing details about the software, including information that will be requested by our technical support team if you need to contact us, such as the serial number and the product version. Additional features are available in various parts of Tabs3 and PracticeMaster programs. Let's open the client file to see some of these. In most Tabs3 software, programs open directly to the data entry page and have a lookup available. Clicking the arrow next to the field opens up a lookup window showing you all of the records, or in this case matters, already in the system. When you have a lookup open, you can easily find what you're looking for by filtering or changing the sort. Once you click on the column heading, you can also just start typing to quickly advance to the record that you're looking for. Notice that in this window, there's also a snapshot that shows a preview of the selected record. Once you found the client you want, you can highlight it and click OK, or you can double-click on the record in the list. Toolbars are shown at the top of the windows. Moving your mouse over a toolbar button displays a tooltip indicating the button's purpose as well as the keystrokes used to quickly access that feature. Similar toolbars are used in each file, allowing you to easily work with the various functions available. Let's switch back over to PracticeMaster to take a look at the client file there. First off, you should notice that these are the same matters that we saw in Tabs 3. But in PracticeMaster, each entry opens up to a List tab, which includes extremely customizable and powerful quick views and smart tabs that help you organize your data the way that works best for you. The Quick Clicks pane is shown in all PracticeMaster files. This pane contains a group of links that allow you to customize your view, as well as provide access to many other features. Each user can customize which quick click links are shown, as well as set their order, and these settings can be different for each file. See the Using Quick Clicks video for additional information about this feature. Just like in Tabs 3, many fields shown include a lookup, which provide access to a list of records. Other fields may have specialized functions, like the web page or phone fields shown here, which have buttons to open the web page or time a phone call. The contact fields show links to the selected contact, and the date fields provide access to calendar functions. For more information on working with specific fields and time-saving features for each, see the Data Entry Field Shortcuts video. Each feature we have open is shown as a tab at the top of the main application window. This allows you to easily switch between tasks without losing what you're working on. In addition to other standard methods, we can close the current window by pressing the Escape key. And now that you're more familiar with the graphical interface and basic navigational methods used throughout the Tabs 3 and PracticeMaster software, you're ready to take a closer look at many of the features included. Thank you for watching. See you next time.